Welcome to challenge 7. Here we are calculating the sum of even numbers greater than 10 and less than 30. So we're going to have our var, we're going to create a variable, somewhere we're going to store these values, and it will be equal to 0, and we're going to introduce our for loop. It's going to be for var I. So here let's look at the question again. The sum of even numbers greater than 10 and less than 30. So the initial value we want for I has to be greater than 10. That's why we want our starting point. Our I value has to be 12 here because that's the first even number greater than 10. So let me put that, and over here less than 30. So I has to be less than 30. Then we come in and I is, so even numbers we increase by 2, right? So I plus equals 2. Then we come out and curly braces for a function, and sum plus equals I, and equals to the log. So our answer here should be 180. And so let's do the sum. Control save. Let's run this and see. 180, yes. So let me just clear that. Yes, it's 180. So let me check out the solution and see if it's the same. So I think every time where we can use a for loop, I think we can also use a while loop. I think it will not just depend on how complex it gets, but we can also use a while loop. Sorry. So let me check out the solution and see if it's the same or it's different. So the answer sheet actually doesn't have a solution for this question. They answered a different question, which was calculating the odd numbers greater than 10 and less than 11. But the only difference with that is the starting point of I, where they started with 11. So otherwise, this solution seems to be correct. So let's meet again in the next one. Bye.